let me show you first things to do on the Redmi Watch 4. So first of all, when you click on this button, you can actually get into the all apps. And as you can see, in my case, I've got the name of each application. But as default, you've got actually these weird app layouts. So to change it, you'll have to actually find the settings icon, click on it, and now scroll down and select layout. And then from the grid, go into the list. And after this, you will be able to navigate much easier. Next, when you are in the settings, I can also recommend you to go into the display and change the brightness level. So you have to turn off the automatic brightness, click on the custom, and now just tune this brightness. As default is like this, in my opinion, it's the best to set it for the highest level. Next, from the settings, we'll have to go into the automatic lock, and for me the 5 seconds it's like not enough, so I can recommend you to go for example for 20 or even 30 seconds. There we go. Now from here we've got also this function, tap to wake. So it's really useful, and I can recommend you to also turn it on, because when the screen is off and for some reason this rise to wake is not working, you can just tap on the screen and it will be turned on. And also we can for sure get the always on display, select smart. Now from this, go into the default theme, and you can actually pick the theme for your always on display. And even you can customize it by clicking here, so we can pick the different style. Okay, this one actually looks the same, so I'm not sure what it does, but let's take a look right here. Okay, it's only changing a little bit the theme, the font. So yeah. Also, we have to go into the heart rate. Scroll down, go into the settings, and let's set up the high heart rate alert and the low heart rate alert by selecting one of the value right here. If you are resting, not walking or running or stuff like this, when you are, for example, sitting and your heart rate is going over 100 beats per minute, you will get the notification on your watch, and the same if it drops below the 50. So next we can actually do the same for the SpO2, and we can actually set the low SpO2 alert for the 90 is actually recommended. When it drops to the 90, when it drops below the 90, it's actually not good. And I guess that's all. Yeah, additionally, you can also import some favorite contacts to quickly make the calls, and you can actually do this by going into the Mi Fitness application. From this, you will have to actually go into the favorite contacts, and now from this, click add and add any contact that you want into the list, and you can add 10 favorite contacts. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.